Good morning everyone, it's Sunday morning and I'm gonna make Evans breakfast first. My son just want to copy me. There's a gate so he can't really come into the and you're gonna start preparing. Yes or no? This is not bread, this is hashed potato. I'm having this bread. This cheese bread with what do you call that? Pork floss. Got this from a Chinese supermarket. I'm gonna clear this up. Then you can eat one. 等大點嘅時候先，要等落5度水。
佢哋啱8蚊。
That is uncommon, right?
Wow.
Wow, then you can eat one.
佢哋有得。
佢哋有得？
佢哋有得。
佢哋有得呢？媽媽eat, okay?
佢哋。
So I didn't feel anything in the afternoon because basically I was just packing his stuff and then I went to nap with him. But this is today's dinner. We had liver with ginger, marinated fish that's from the supermarket. I just pan fry it, and then spinach with mushroom and a bowl of soup. So this is what we're eating for dinner. Really simple food, you know, but I really love this. So join us in our dinner time.